Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create game pass on Roblox. So go to roblox.com first of all. Once you're here and if you haven't logged in yet, then the login page will appear. Just log in with your ID, and once you log in, now to create game pass on Roblox, tap on the create option. So if you are visiting the create options, this page will appear after one page, and where you have to tap on manage experiences. Then after tapping on manage experience, this interface or this dashboard will be appeared. Now you have to tap on the in experience, just tap on this image. Now once you tap, just tap on menu and go to associate items. Now to create a game pass, guys, just tap on passes here, tap on it, and now to create game pass, just tap on create pass. Now tap on upload image to upload image, and you can enter the name here, description, and tap on create. So I'm gonna tap on image and import the image first. So I'm gonna upload this image. So once you upload the image, you can name the game pass. So I'm gonna name it as watch it. Now you can enter the description up to 1000 characters, and once you enter, just tap on create pass. So after tapping on it, your pass will be created. It will take time to be reviewed. So to configure it, just tap on it again, the newly created game pass. Now to configure it, just tap on menu again and just tap on the sales option. Enable the item for sale. Set the price here about 20 Robux, and just tap on save changes. Once you tap on save changes, your game pass will be up for the sale, but if you want to sell it for on please donate, you have to set up the stand for the newly created game pass. So you can go into please donate game and find the empty stand, and just hold the button hold the claim button, and your game pass will be listed on the stand. So if you want to see the process, you can go into description, or you can watch the video on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.